If you've ever looked at the StarT app wave and thought, what am I looking at? This video is for you. We're in part 3 of the QuickstaRt tutorials. Previous videos are linked below. Let's dive into free play. When you make a sound in free play, you're gonna see 3 main peaks. The third peak is what we're paying attention to for the R sound. Your goal is to make the second and third peak frame the Starfish Slider. So when your wave looks like this, it means you have an accurate R sound and not just an approximation. Now, sometimes in a really accurate R, the second and third peaks can merge into one. And that's actually okay. The key is that that highest point of the merged peak still lands near the Starfish Slider. That's your visual cue that you're moving in the right direction. Now, do you see these white lines on the screen? Those show you the highest point of each peak. Personally, I find them easier to spot than the tippy top of the wave most of the time. So if they're helpful for you, awesome. But if not, don't even worry about it. That little Starfish slider shows you where the second and third peak should be landing for your R sound. It's calculated automatically based on the age, height, and gender that you entered into your profile.
Just head to bitslabstart.com and select SLP info to see these values. For example, if you have a 9-year-old male, you want your target set at 2200 Hertz. You can see the current frequency of your target right here. So we would just move the slider until it says 2200.
Sliding the starfish to the left will make practice a little bit harder. And sliding the starfish to the right will make practice a little bit easier and give you more wiggle room for your approximation. When you say a word naturally, the R can blend into the other sounds in the word, making it kind of hard to catch the peaks. So here's the trick. Stretch the R out just a little. Say red or carry to give the wave time to show you what's really going on. Another option is to hit the pause button right when your student is hitting their best R sound so you guys can look at the wave together. Remember, most people don't say a perfect R sound right away, and that is okay. The good thing about biofeedback is it lets us see our progress. All those baby steps add up to an accurate R in the end, so keep at it. And that's it. The free play wave is a really helpful way to see if you are getting closer to an accurate R sound. In the next video, we're gonna look at quest mode. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you in video 4.